Meet Daisy, a delightful symbol of purity and innocence. This delicate flower, with its white petals and golden core, brings joy to any garden. Each petal represents a unique aspect: love, faith, hope, and loyalty. Daisy is not just a flower, it's a philosophy. Its radiant existence teaches us simplicity, patience, and the beauty in everyday life. The daisy stands resilient, thriving in both sunshine and storm. Whether you're gifting or growing, daisies add a sprinkle of happiness. So, why wait? Let daisies bloom in your life. Remember, it's the simple daisy that brings complex joy. Cherish it, embrace it, let it inspire you.